Hello, hello. What's up, guys? I'm not sure if anybody's even in here, but for people that may be watching this later, what I'm going to be doing today is just backtesting Bitcoin with a new strategy that I've been testing out. Props to ICT. I'm going to be attempting to learn this strategy while kind of backtesting here, seeing what the results are, and figuring out, how good it works. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to hop in these live sessions and ask. I'll be cutting this up into a shorter video to put on my channel as well, where I document how well the trades went and if we're profitable or not. And when we can get this strategy to a profitable point, I will be taking it and live streaming daily for you guys as well here. So if you guys don't know, I'm on a platform right now called TradingView. It's a great place to go ahead and check charts and kind of look at the charts and learn. I'm using an indicator right now called the Bitcoin Kill Zone. What that does is it breaks it down into trading sessions. So like right here from like this red one from 8 o'clock till 10, that's like the New York Open. So that's usually a good time where you can expect volatility. So the first step that I do when I'm going to be breaking down a chart for this strategy here is I'm going to first mark off each day. So I'm right now on the hour time frame, and I'm going to go ahead and just mark off the days of the week here so I can backtest and look at what last week was doing. Right now I'm on May 16th. I went back in the charts here. Reason being, I want to test May 16th all the way to present with this strategy. So that's well over 100 days. Should be a good sample size of information to figure out if this strategy is going to work or not. However, this isn't like an indicator strategy where something just tells you to take the trade or not to take the trade. It takes a lot of intuition. So hopefully as I go through the charts, I get better with this technique as well. And we can hopefully all learn together. If you guys have any questions or you have any ideas or you want me to test something, let me know in the chat here. I'll be paying attention to it. So first things first, let's go ahead and mark off the days of the week. Let me confirm that May 8th would be the start of that week here. Okay, May 9th is the start of last week. So and I'm going to be doing my days in the New York windows is when I'll have it open. Actually, no, scratch that idea. We'll just do the full day since I actually have the kill zones here. Let's get that a little more obvious of a color here. All right, so now that I have the days sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and section off the days for next week as well. Thanks, Alexandra. Hope you're having a good day. In preparation for this back test, I built the most ghetto spreadsheet on Excel. So hopefully my Excel skills improve while I'm backtesting as well. But I'll show you guys that as well. All right, so now we have both weeks. You can see this is the future week to come. This is the past week, so I'm going to study and break down the past week a little bit. Let's look at this on a 15-minute time frame. So you can see we're kind of selling off here and then consolidating into selling off into another point of consolidating. Let's hop out on a larger time frame. I might take this kill zone off just for now, make the chart cleaner. All right, what does the month look like here? Hey, what's up, Maz? Yeah, what kind of insights did you need? I'll give you the best I got. You know, I've been trading for about 6 months here and dove into ICT about 3 or 4 months, and that man is, his strategies, it's a long time learning them, so I'm not any professional on his strategies. I'm trying to learn them here, but I might be able to help out. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the last month's high, last month's low, and just marking it off on a chart so I know it. It's kind of hard to see because of my lines here. Let me hide all this. We traded up into last month's range, and now we're trading down. In May, I do have a little hindsight, obviously. I know it does go down. However, let's see, having a problem with marking key levels on high time frame and using them on low time frames, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. Gotcha. So right now, the way that I'm looking at, I have a problem with that too, because when you put a high time frame like key level using his techniques, it seems to take forever for them to get there. Is that your problem too? Like, it's like the high time frames take forever to get hit. So what I'm working on with this, with like the strategy that I'm testing here, is I'm using the high time frames, waiting for them to come and hit that. But I'm trading in the theory of the way that he does it, right, is he puts his high level in a premium, or his high time frame key level in a premium, his high time frame key level in a discount, and then he trades from like a daily high time frame level to a 4-hour time frame. So the only advice I would have is maybe look at like taking a daily high time frame and trying to trade to a 15-minute, like if you're taking a premium daily high time frame and trade it to an hour discount time frame. That way you're working with levels that you're not waiting forever for it to go ahead and hit. I hope that makes sense. But that's kind of what I'm testing here too, because I have a problem with that as well. So I'm hoping that going through these 100 days of backtesting, I can solve that same issue with you. So if you have any ideas, let me know too, because again, I'm not, you know, that expert in this by any means. How long you been trading, Maz? God, I'm happy. Sometimes when I talk, especially when you're talking about ICT stuff, it's like, am I even making any sense? Some of his stuff is just so in the language that he uses, you know, it's like you got to hit that PD array coming in at a discount. It's like, I don't know if I'm making any sense here. Okay, let me jump down to a weekly. Cool. So going off ICT's principles, right? We're on a weekly here. We're looking right here. There's a large swing up. By his standards, that would be a bullish order block right there. Been trading for like 6 months. Was using EMA strategy. Okay, yeah. What made you find ICT? And also, were you having any luck with EMAs? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, so you're kind of like, I would say that's about how much information I have. However, I've like the last month or so, I've made it my full-time job to go and go over all of his content. Oh, okay, gotcha. Were you in the? I think I got introduced from some of those guys. I followed Ninja through all of them, and then ended up finding Lotus, who helped out with finding a lot of content in Ninja's Discord. So similar route, man. It's crazy. Small world. Well, I am definitely no expert. The whole point of this channel that I'm building here is just to show that trading is fucking hard. And kind of show the path of trying to get consistent and trying to be good. So I'm not claiming to like change anybody's life who's watching. The idea is hopefully, you know, we can learn from my mistakes, learn from what I'm doing good, and build a community where we can all learn together. Yeah, his Discord's kind of toxic, isn't it? Dude, it is fucking exhausting, right? It's great when the days are going good for you, though. It feels incredible when you're hitting good trades. Now, a big thing I had when I first started trading, I was on a run, man. I started an account with 400, and then like 2 weeks later, I made like $4,000 in a week. Trading off that account that I brought up from 400, and was like, man, this is easy as hell. And then my confidence grew, and so did the the leverage that I was taking, and then also my position size. And I quickly got kicked in the ass back down, and was like, all right, I need to take this more seriously. So now I'm trying to learn how to really handle risk management, not handle my emotions, understand that trading's just a game of probabilities. And just find a strategy that gets you those probabilities and take trades. Use good risk management, and you'll come out on top. So this is the process that you're seeing, you know. Hopefully my streams from a week from now are better than they are now. It's just trying to constantly improve. If you have any suggestions or anything too, let me know, man. I'd love to get your knowledge. Okay, so on a daily here, coming down to an order block right here, it looks like. Already in an order block. So it'll be interesting to see what happens when this week starts. might actually go long. Yeah. Hopefully. And if I'm terrible, well then hopefully you'll learn what not to do, you know? Let's go ahead and mark out this area. Since this looks interesting. This looks like we could get a potential bounce up at the start of the week. Because right there's going to be a bullish order block. What do you think of the whole fair value gap, liquidity void? I feel like there's a lot of ICT things he teaches that it's just the same shit. Like, what the hell is the difference between a liquidity void and a fair value gap? One is just on a smaller time frame. Some of those things I still don't get completely. Or like sometimes, like, oh, there's other ones he has. Mitigation blocks versus order blocks and rejection blocks. Sometimes it's like, this is just the same thing getting complicated a little bit. Feels like. Yeah, couldn't you also call that though a liquidity void? Like, I feel like it's almost just on higher time frames. It's like when you get a spontaneous move from a position of interest and it's not big enough on a time frame to look like a gap, you'd call that a fair value gap. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Like when you see it like a level of liquidity get taken out and then it reacts and goes bonkers the other direction, and then you jump down those low time frames and find the fair value gap in it, but in a way it's kind of just a liquidity void on a smaller time frame, right? I don't know, shit like that. Sometimes I feel like if you just kind of simple it down a little bit, it's a lot of times it's like they're just points of interest that react but with different names. I don't know, maybe I just haven't learned enough yet. Okay, what the hell was I doing? So I'm a little spacey today. I just got back from the gym. So this is a bullish daily. Nice, man. I've been I took a break from trading while I'm just trying to get a strategy down that I feel consistent in. I wasn't really negative. I was still doing good, but I felt like I just had like no confidence in my trading style after a little bit, so I just needed to go back and back test. So right now I'm regaining confidence, trying to build up some good strategies here on a 15-minute. Is that your main range that you trade? So you trade daily then? Okay. Yeah, I mostly day trade too, man. I don't have the patience for I want to get good at taking nice little spot trades during the week. But yeah, something about being in the charts and actually getting in there is fun, man. It's hard not to day trade even on days where you shouldn't. Okay. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of paint on this chart. Let me go ahead and hide some of that. I guess for future note, I should not mark out the days until I actually do my drawings of PD arrays. Okay. Mark out the prior day high, prior day low. Gotcha. Do you use his whole IPTA time ranges, the 20 day, 40 days, 60 days stuff? Or do you just go off the most recent swing for highs and lows? Okay. That's what I was thinking about doing too. Sometimes I feel like on such a new chart like Bitcoin, since it's kind of still a young market, going back like these huge ranges and like trying to trade off monthly data, it's like, dude, it's like a total, I don't know how many candles, but like 40 candles to get information off of. It just doesn't feel exactly right. I don't know. I don't know why I'm even marking up here. I doubt that price is going to get back up here. I don't really remember what happened in May, but I know right now it's not at 30,000, so. I know, that is a lot of drawing, bro. But I just want to see how stuff reacts. I doubt any of these stuff I'm drawing up here is going to even come into play. Kind of having the hindsight of where the market's at right now, but good practice, I guess. Hopefully I'll fine-tune something better. Yeah, I think the daily spacers might be a bit much. It's kind of overwhelming. Maybe I can make these less distracting here. When do you usually trade? Also, how did you find my channel, man? What's going on here? Yeah. All right, let's let the weekend play out here. Okay, it makes new highs, gets liquidity there. So watching here, we're in a kill zone. Double highs right here. Hit liquidity. Looking for an opportunity to get in. If this swings up around here, fine, and breaks through lower, I'll be looking to take a trade around here. Boom. We broke it. Let's go ahead and dive in here, see if I can get an entry. Little fair value gap here. Let's take the first trade. So take a short. Take a short at 3105523. Go into my little chart here. Where's price at? 3105523. Place the stop above the high. 31,500.45. First target entry of that liquidity void here, 3670.04. The main target beneath that low. We are still in a premium, so it's kind of risky to take a short here, but it did just take out its highs here. And we are risking 1.43. $349. Target 3. $29.09. $29,914. Okay. Gonna be going in with 5,000. Shit, I need to change this number to 10,000. The range we're playing with. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, Didn't come up back to the fair value gap. Is trading short though. And did not get the trade. However, we are here. Deep into the bullish rejection block. Pulling out of it, entering into a new kill zone here. Okay. I'll take a trade here at 2965355. This time I'll be taking a long, which where price is right now seems better. 29230 for stop loss. First target will be just to close in this area here. 30136. Second target will be above that high. 30487. Third target 30694. So bummer I didn't get in that. That would have been two. That would have hit all of mine. Let's see if I can get in. In. That looks good. So I think we just hit the original. So we take our 25% out. Just a stop loss up a little bit here. Yeah, I'll adjust it right there. So now our stop's adjusted. Trades back into us violently. Looks like we would've got stopped. Let's just see what happens with this trade. Breaks down even lower. Let me make note. broke high, came down, touched, took liquidity, responded, traded back into the order block. I might take a trade right here off of 290971, short stop loss halfway in this candle, just in case we do get a propulsion block scenario here and see price skyrocket. So it's outside of our trading zone, not really advised. We are in premium. Let me go ahead and do it. Long off of this candle, short stop loss. Target. Above this high. For first target. And if we hit first target, I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even. That is an entry at 290971. Three five seven 357. Second. I'll pull everything out here at 31042 if it gets there. Get an entry. Not looking good, not looking like a propulsion block. It should respond quicker than that. Yeah, there we go. Getting up there. That would be the first take profit, raise it to 0, we got free trade. And there it goes. Pause this and move this. Going south on us. Still hasn't taken out. There we go. We are out of the trade. First hit. Where are we at in the day? Monday, Tuesday. Is this looking like any sort of weekly template? So we had our high, swing down, didn't take out a low, we could still be going up. Hard to say, really. Alright, let's just watch the price action. Breaks through violently. Creates a double bottom. Price response high. Failing to make a new high. Makes a new high. Could see potential range play. Could also break these, grab liquidity and go lower. I don't want to take this. That would have gotten my trade. All kinds of liquidity up there. Right, good thing I didn't take that trade. Entering Wednesday. Just consolidation city here. If it makes a big push here, I'm gonna buy. Yep, I'm buying. It's at how low I think it's gonna go though. Nice response there. What is that line? That is the low. What does that look like on a 5-minute? Taking out big candle. No gaps. Forms right there. I'm gonna take a long from this point. First take profit. Entry 29218. 29508. $289.60. After these double tops, I don't see anything going further, so that's gonna be my final 31. Unfortunate. Let's see, did I make my stop too short? Probably. Look at that. That is something I do notoriously. For my stop too short, I should just adjust my entry lower if I'm that worried. Oh, would have hit first. First take profit. Not making a new low. Getting serious volatility. And gonna run a new low. Looks like. Which direction does this want to go? Interesting. Nice double bottom there. Look at that candle, Jesus. Man, that short would have been good if I could have got in it. So what if that short I tried to get into? Alright. Is that... Okay. Time to reassess the charts.
Not there yet. I had to go to the bathroom, so I haven't even left yet, but I'm leaving now. I can, we order pizza, whatever pizza you guys want, I'll Apple Pay anyone that wants it. I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm not hungry either. That's why I was like, I'm leaving now, so I'm like almost at the car. You know how long the call is, so I'll be there. According to my GPS, I'll be there in 10 minutes, or well, with traffic, let's say 15. Yeah, it says 15. I was trying like lowball it and like, hey, this is what actually is. I'm almost there. Well, I mean, not almost there, but I'll be on my way now. Did Moss leave?
Yeah, I think he left a while ago. Thanks, Alex. All right, so I'm taking out the trade idea for the trade here. Broke these highs, clean. Came back, failed to make a new high. Looks like we're passing through right here. Got a little bit of a fair value gap there. Just because I got messed up with that last trade, let's actually move it up here. for my entry right there. I'll adjust that 30, 3120. Gonna go ahead and set stop loss at 3601. First take profit at 29492. All right, we're gonna have a second take profit at 28829. And then third at 28544. All right, hopefully this one works out for us. Get in there. Not looking good so far. Definitely not looking good. It stopped out. Few take profits taken. See if we can get all the way to the last one. By this point, raise that down, floating free. So we'd be using the same take profits as before, obviously, because it's the same trade. I just got back into it. Debating just pulling the rest of it out here. Take a look. So hit our second target. We've got the majority out. We'll just wait it. Consolidates all the way into the weekend. At this point, we just take the whole trade out. So I got back in at 30056. 3005657. All right, time to see what happened in the first week. And I think each live stream, I'm just gonna do a week at a time. And I'm probably gonna take more time trying to break down the charts to understand the week. I think it'll be more valuable for me that way. Because this week I think I ended up taking a loss, so I'm not gonna try and power through each week. I think each live stream is just gonna be a week, and then I'll put out short content, recapping the last stream. I'll try and stream every weekday, so a week, every single day of backtesting. But so this first week, let's see, I'll calculate up everything here. First one, stop loss raised, got first profit. All right. That was in 270. Right. That's not the way to do that. Sick profit of $20, looks like. Sorry for all this tedious stuff, guys. First stream, I'll figure out a way to make this better. Do 25. Take profit. Stop free trade. Cool. No. Oh, wait, that ain't right. Wait, what is happening here? Shoot. I don't remember. I'll have to check that after the stream and come back in the beginning of the next stream with the numbers for you guys and adjust that. Cool. Well, that was the first week here. Stuff will get smoother as we go here, and I'll make it a easier process. Right now, I'm still learning my own strategy, so it's gonna get a lot smoother as the strategy grows. I'll have the profits up in the next video, and I'll discuss them before we start next week, and I'll be streaming that tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful day.